I've just rebuilt Fabletics 1 billion quiz system inside Notion with Claude, and let me show you exactly how. But first, why Fabletics makes you take a quiz before you can even buy it. So here's the trick. Once you land on their website, you don't get the store first. You get a deal, then 80% off, and the second you try to claim it, quiz pop-up. 5 questions before you can even check out. And that one move helped build a business doing a reported 1 billion in a year, where members drive 95 of revenue, and the quiz here isn't a decoration. It's a whole machine. So today, guys, I'm rebuilding the whole thing for a real brand using nothing but Claude and Notion. Let's get through it. But quick one, why does making people take a quiz beat a normal store page? Let's decode this part. For reasons. First of all, it kills the choice paralysis. Instead of browsing 400 products, it's answer 6 questions. Job 2 is the sneaky one. It grabs the email before the price. You finish the quiz, and to see your result, you type first your emails to get the result. So here they own you before you even seen a single thing to buy. Third, it sorts people. Every answer is a data. And lastly, the job 4, it sets up the close. The results page shows a member price next to a higher regular price. Our fake brand case study today is Lumi, a personalized hair care, and it's perfect for a quiz. Let's get through it. But before building anything, Notion is going to be the brain of this machine. It holds the questions, the customer segments, and the leads. And Claude is going to be the person running that brain, building it, reading it, and telling me what to do next. So first, let's connect Claude with Notion. So here I go to connectors, add Notion, then I need to authorize it. Now Claude can read and write my Notion works, but as you can see it here, directly. No middleman, no automation tool, no code. And now as you can see, it's connected with the other tools and connected to my Claude. Next, I will not build the quiz by hand. I describe it and Claude builds it in Notion for me. So Lumi says 4 routine bundles: fine and oily, dry and damaged, curly and frizz prone, color treated. Those 4 are my segments, so I tell Claude here, build me a quiz question based in Notion. Here I gave it the order to build everything on Claude after we connected 6 questions for the hair care and their answer for each segment. But one more thing, guys, everything I used today here is packed into one document: the prompts, the template, the master workflow, the system, the brand contacts, and the link in the description. So now let me go back to my Notion and check to see what Claude built for us inside Notion after we connected Claude with Notion and gave it the order to build the quiz. Alright, here as you can see, it built me 3 databases. Let me walk you through it. We have 6 questions: hair types, what's your biggest hair frustration right now? Then this will be used later for email subject lines. What have you tried that didn't work? That's my objection handling for later. Every question is secretly doing 2 jobs. It's like it's about the customer, but every answer is also a segment or a subject line or a content asset that we can use later on for emails, newsletter, campaign, ad hooks, and so on and so forth. Let me clarify something. You're probably having a customer can take a Notion database, right? Notion is the engine room, guys, not the storefront. So I'm using later Tally, or you could use also Typeform or any other tools, but I usually go with Tally and Typeform. And that's the whole architecture. Notion holds the brain, the quiz tool is the front door, Claude connects them and runs it. As you can see here, 6 questions, 1 per screen, because long form kills it. Email at the end when they are dying to see the results. Ask at the start and you lose half of them. And the results page talks back to them. Your hair is color treated and fading. Here's the routine for exactly that. Plus a buy button straight to Shopify with their discount already applied. So here we managed to turn a stranger to customer in 90 seconds. But you probably say not everyone buys on the spot. So what happens to the rest? This is where exactly it earns its keep. For example, look at what I've got on this person. Not just an email. I know their hair type, their number 1 frustration in their own words, what they already tried that flopped, their goal, And compare that to a boring 10% off pop-up that gets you an email and nothing else. Not the same thing, and here's the mistake I see everyone making. Notion is not where leads go to sit and rot. Notion is your control room. The money doesn't happen in Notion. The money happens because of what I do with this data next. And the thing that actually makes Fabletics $1 billion. And it's not only the quiz, it's what they do with the data after. For example, here I tell Claude, read my quiz, leads database, tell me which segment is biggest right now. Then for each segment, write the first email opening with that segment's real frustration, pain point in their own words. That's the trick. And put it all in my segment playbook. And it reads every lead and fills the playbook for me. So let's say color treated is my biggest segment this week. So that's exactly what I will be promoting. And here's, for example, I wrote in the email subject opening, your hair color is too expensive to faint. Because that's literally what those people type in the quiz. That's what they paid for, and these are their words. So let's summarize it. There are 3 things that makes this compound. 1, put the quiz link everywhere, bio, end of every short email signature, and so on and so forth. 2, rotates 1 question a month. This month is, for example, its biggest frustration. Next month, what stopped you from buying? 3, rerun that Claude reads Notion prompts every couple of weeks. So your biggest segment shifts, your frustration shift, and Claude tells you what to make apps about, your hooks, your content ideas, and what to launch next. See you guys next week, and I hope you like the video. If you like it, please hit the button, subscribe, and like, and see you next video.